You can choose to process payments from guests directly in Guesty or record a payment that's been collected externally. In this video, we'll show you how to record a payment that's been collected outside of Guesty. Let's get started by opening the relevant reservation. You can either search for the guest's name here and select the reservation, or click Reservations in the top menu. Click the relevant reservation to open it up. In this example, we can see that there is a balance due. Click Balance Due to view the financial aspects of the reservation. Scroll down to the Payments section and click the Collect button. Note that if Guesty's payment processor, Stripe, is not connected to Guesty, a Record button will be displayed instead. In the pop-up, click Record Payment. Enter the amount that was collected outside of Guesty, or keep the default amount. Choose a payment method from the drop-down, such as cash or debit card, and add a confirmation code and internal note if relevant. Click Record when done, and that's it. The recorded payment will be displayed here. In this case, we can see that the payment was collected in cash. If the reservation has now been paid in full, you'll see Paid written here. If only part of the payment has been collected, you'll see Unpaid along with the remaining amount. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know by clicking on the question mark on the bottom right corner of your screen. Thanks for watching!